Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. We're going to look at 8 ways to use decomposed granite in your landscape. Decomposed granite is great because it's half the cost of concrete, and it just has a more organic feel to it. There's a wider range of colors, and it really, for the casual kind of garden, it creates a wonderful walking surface that is all kinds of versatile. And we're going to look at those 8 different ways. But first, let's start with colors. This is one of the big advantages decomposed granite has over concrete, is it comes in a wide range of colors. As you can see here, just in this one side of the rock quarry, these are some of the different colors you can have. And by the way, there's links in the video description for Southwest Boulder and Stone and KRC Rock, and they have pages on decomposed granite, so you can kind of see all these different colors. But California Gold is one of my favorite. That's actually the one I use more than all the rest combined. It's just a nice neutral tan color. It complements all kinds of other patio colors and furniture and all kinds of things. But there's basically 2 different kinds of decomposed granite. There is the fine decomposed granite, and then there is the crunchy decomposed granite. So you're going to see a couple examples in this video of all those different kinds. And here's an example of the crunchy decomposed granite. Now, crunchy meaning it's more rock-like. This one is closer to a 3/4 inch decomposed granite. This one is 3/8 decomposed granite. And these are going to be nice ones for crunchy kind of walkways. This is a fine grained decomposed granite, and the way the fine decomposed granite is put down is it has a little stabilizer mixed in. It gets compacted on the pathways. It gets wetted down once and then compacted and wetted down and compacted. And if you do all these steps, here's the finished pathway, you're going to have something that has a lot of solid stability on it. And fine decomposed granite is good for pedestrian walkways. They're going to really hold up well to it. Here's an example of a fine decomposed granite walkway. Different ones, different colors, different kinds. Obviously, that's a tropical garden. This one's more of a Mediterranean garden. But notice how we kind of curved it through the pathways. That's where decomposed granite really is great. These curvy, organic type pathways with the colors that you can pick to match the patio, as we did there with that tropical backyard. And it just, you get some really cool colors to complement the house and other things. Here's another example of a decomposed granite. This is a 3/4 inch. And again, that's a nice, easy pathway, not as heavily used. So let's look at some different examples of how you can use decomposed granite. In addition to the pathway, you also have the tree ring. That's a nice way. It's not going to break down, and it'll keep the area around the trunk dry. The driveway, oh yeah, I love using DG for driveways. That's a really nice look. You can also use it around stepping stones. They're really formal stepping stones like the patio tile. Different ones like the flagstone. You can even use it with the really formal ones. This is a travertine tile set on top of concrete and then surrounded by decomposed granite. This is 3/8 inch. You can also use them on landscape timber stairs. Again, that casual and formal look. Landscape timber stairs are really great, much more natural looking than the concrete. Now make sure when you're doing these, you're using either redwood or pressure treated so it can hold up to being outside all that time. And go check out my other video on landscape timber stairs. Another way to use decomposed granite is you can use it as mulch. This is kind of nice because unlike wood, it's not going to break down. So decomposed granite is great for pathways, patios, mulching, a really useful and beautiful material for your landscape. So that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you use decomposed granite in your garden in some way that's different than what you saw in this video. I love having viewers share different ideas and what they've done to give everyone out there in YouTube land some different ideas on how to improve your garden. Well, again, this is all for now. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.